stop using right now. Hey guys, this is Anshi. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Hope you guys are staying safe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna tell about some reasons behind your hair fall. So almost maximum people are suffering from hair fall. So guys, what you need to do is that you need to be stay connected with me through this video till the end so that you can figure out what are your reasons behind your hair fall. To start off with hair fall, it's a very normal journey during monsoon season when it's kind of cold or rainy season. So in that case, our hair tends to weak and brittle. So it's very normal. तो इसमें क्या होता है कि like आपका बाल झड़ना बहुत ही स्वाभाविक है. It's very natural. It's quite natural. So you don't need to worry much. So guys, this is the first reason. Second reason could be the change in lifestyle. Like if you move from one place to another, one city to another, then water change can be the most common factor for your hair fall. Second, if you are eating lots of oily and spicy food, that can be the reason. So correct these things, right? So third reason could be deficiency in vitamin D. As many of us, due to this pandemic situation, many people won't get sufficient sunlight, which is a good source of vitamin D. So I would suggest check it thoroughly, and for that get your basic blood test done and check it thoroughly, and then take your call. If you are suffering from deficiency of vitamin D, then some symptoms will be there which I will be listing right now. You're gonna have headache, you're gonna have hair fall, you're gonna have mood swings, you will feel lazy, you will feel irritated. Means overall you won't feel good, right? Look good, feel good. Happy hair, happy you. Fourth reason could be iron deficiency. Walk to your nearest clinic and get your hemoglobin levels checked, and then take the prescribed medicine given by your doctor. Fifth reason could be nutrition. If you are lacking in nutrition, then check it thoroughly. Drink plenty of water as much as you can, at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Eat proper food, include fruits in your diet, vitamins food, green vegetables food in your diet. By the way guys, your skin, your hair, your nail identify how healthy you are actually. Sixth reason could be not including hair oil massage in your daily routine, as it is the most effective method to reduce hair fall and stimulate new hair growth, because it not only increase blood level circulation but it also gives you relief from stress level, which could be the major factor for your hair fall. Who knows? So what you guys are waiting from? Start from today itself, right? This is the last reason but not the least, using wrong products like shampoo and conditioner. So always use paraben and sulfate free shampoo and conditioner, because there are lots of chemicals and detergents which is highly not required for your beautiful hair, right? So stop using paraben and chemicals based shampoo. I think there is always a myth, right? Always use same shampoo, which is not true, not at all true. Choose your shampoo accordingly, your hair type and hair issues like dry, wavy, curly, brittle, dandruff, hair fall, etc, etc. So guys, there is also a myth that using conditioner will also leads to hair fall, which is basically not at all true. Okay, so guys, conditioner is very important for your hair. Always apply conditioner from mid session to the end session, and somewhat that what you apply on your face as moisturizer for protection. So exactly, conditioner is also doing the same thing. So guys, conditioner is nowhere cause for your hair fall, so it's also a myth. So please do not believe in it. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Bye bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.